Ever pondered over the question, what makes a good programmer? Well, it's not just about writing code. It's about solving problems. And one essential tool in every programmer's arsenal is understanding and utilizing algorithms. An algorithm, in the simplest terms, is a set of instructions for solving a problem or accomplishing a task. Every time a programmer writes a piece of code, they're creating an algorithm. But why are algorithms so important in programming? Let's delve into that. Firstly, algorithms help to break down a complex problem into manageable parts. This process, known as decomposition, allows programmers to focus on one piece of the problem at a time. It's like solving a jigsaw puzzle. You wouldn't try to put all the pieces together at once, would you? No, you'd probably start with a corner or an edge and work your way in. That's what an algorithm helps you to do with a problem. Secondly, algorithms are essential for efficiency. They can help a program run faster or use less memory. Some problems can be solved in many ways, but not all solutions are created equal. An efficient algorithm can make the difference between a program that takes a few seconds to run and one that takes a few hours. Now, how does one go about creating an algorithm? It starts with understanding the problem. A programmer needs to know what the inputs and outputs should be, and what steps are needed to get from one to the other. This might involve drawing diagrams or writing out pseudocode before starting to write the actual code. Once the algorithm is developed, it's time for testing. This involves running the algorithm with different inputs to make sure it gives the correct output. If it doesn't, the programmer needs to debug the algorithm, which means finding and fixing any errors. Output. To wrap things up, algorithms are the heart and soul of programming. They turn a complex problem into a series of manageable steps, making it possible to create efficient, effective programs. Without algorithms, programming would be like trying to build a house without a blueprint. Possible, but certainly not efficient or easy. So, next time you're faced with a programming challenge, remember the importance of algorithms. Understand the problem, decompose it, develop an efficient algorithm, test it, and debug if necessary. It's a process, but a worthwhile one. Because at the end of the day, programming isn't just about writing code, it's about solving problems. And to solve problems, you need algorithms.